The Pollen filter or Cabin Air filter on the Audi A4 B8 platform. This is a 2008 model. It's located below the glove box in the upper footwell area. To gain access to the filter, we need to remove this cover. This would be just above where your feet are if you're sitting in the passenger seat. There are two plastic fasteners here. You can remove them by hand or with a flathead screwdriver. They just screw off. We can then pull out the cover. It's sort of a polystyrene sort of material. Careful not to break it. And that pulls out. Next we need to remove this white cover. To do that we simply slide it to the left and it pops off, and then we can pull out the old filter if we can get a grip on it. And this is a very dirty one. And we can then slide our new one in with the angled part to the top left. And slide our retaining cover back on. Click in place, and then our outside cover.